We are in Running Water, South Dakota. I'm doing a cabin. I'm staying right up the road. Basically, this is the backyard. Decided to take my son fishing while I am at the cabin, staying it for somebody. It's a beautiful, beautiful area out here. Anyways, I am headed back to work, and my son is going to do some fishing. He got everything here. There he goes. Anyways, have fun. And this is it. I hope everybody enjoys their day and hope people are out there fishing. Running Water, South Dakota.
It's deep out there.
Anyways, have a good day. Headed to work. Like I said, my boys will be doing some fishing. Hopefully he'll bring us food for lunch. Some fish. Alright, come check out Running Water, South Dakota if you're ever down this way and try to do some fishing.